guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a super fun stretch bracelet. We're going to be using this glass strand from JJB Beads. We're going to be using this beautiful mix and timeless treasures from Dress It Up buttons. We're also going to be using some Beaded elasticity. This is the 1.0 millimeter. We're going to need a pair of cutters, and I have a little bit of super glue here. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here, I picked out a few buttons that I want to use on my bracelet. I'm going to trim my bead strand off of the string here. I'm going to take our buttons that we've picked out and I'm going to trim off the back shank on them. Easy peasy, just like so. Okay, and then the third one. And those are flattened out. Now, what we're going to do here is I want to take these 3 beads, these larger ones, the middle and the 2 side ones, and I want to glue on my buttons to these beads. And it's just as simple as, like I said, we cut our shank. We're going to add a little bit of a super glue to the bead. And then we're going to add our button. Just like so. And this usually dries within like 90 seconds, so it won't take long for those to dry. And another one here. And I'm just centering them on those crystals. That's all I'm doing. Very simple. And then our third one. Okay, so we're going to let those dry. In the meantime, I'm going to open up our elasticity here. And I'm going to unravel a piece of it. And I'm going to leave it on the roll. I like to work right onto the roll when I'm doing stretchy bracelets. It's less waste. At least it seems like it to me. So I'm just pulling this and stretching this, pre-stretching this before I start stringing on beads. So now that our buttons on our beads are all dry and our elasticity is stretched, we're going to start stringing our piece. So we're just going to start with this really pretty bead and this rundown. And then this white bead. And then we're going to fit in one of our smaller beads, or excuse me, one of our smaller buttons on a bead there, and then we'll continue across, and then just continue across. Let's put this one, then a cute little spacer. I love these spacers that have the little crystals in them. And then these will go on that side. Our little 4-leaf clover. Put that on. Then we'll put our large crystal. Actually, let's put our bead caps on. And then our large crystals. Let's just put on our large crystal, and then we're going to put our large button bead combination on, just like so. And then we're just going to do the exact pattern back that we created on this side. Okay. Easy peasy. This doesn't take any time at all. And it really is a beautiful little statement bracelet. Would be a great Mother's Day gift. Okay, and then we're to our other one. And then this crystal. and a rondelle, and then our last bead. Okay, so now that we have everything strung, we're gonna snip off our elasticity from the roll. I'm just gonna leave myself some extra on either side just so I can tie it easily. So I'm just gonna snip that. Okay, and I'll take my 2 strands and I'm gonna cross them. Bring that in nice and snug there. And then I'm gonna do my right over left, my left over right. And I always test it and see if that's a strong enough knot there, and it seems pretty good. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of glue in here and just glue that knot a little bit. And then we're going to trim it. So guys, here is our finished bracelet. I think it came out really pretty, really elegant. Truly enjoyed making this one. It's really right up my alley. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.